Bronson here with the Magic in the Library initiative. Once again, welcome back to my top secret magic library. I'm going to show you some magic and we're going to talk about one of my favorite magic words. Here we go. Today's magic word is epitome.
What?
Epitome.
Oh!
What is an epitome? Well, when you see it spelled out, it kind of looks like it says epitome. It doesn't. It says epitome. Epitome means the greatest of something. For example, when Peter Jackson was making his Hobbit movie, he wanted the dragon, Smaug the dragon. He wanted it to be the dragon. Not just a dragon, not just a cool-looking dragon, but the ultimate dragon. That means the greatest of something. That is the epitome. I've brought something with me. This is a piece of white fabric. A bright, snowy white fabric. In fact, it is the brightest white fabric that I own. Extremely bright, bright as the sunshine on a snowy day. And then over here, I have a mysterious ruby red box. It's the deepest red, the color of fire, the color of cherries. Now, I'm going to take my white fabric and I'm going to place it inside where you can see it like this. And you have something really cool that happens. As I place the white fabric inside, because of the color of the box, it looks like it begins to change colors from white, mint white, to deep cherry red like that. Now you can see the fabric from any direction like this. Now check it out. If I snap my fingers, that bright white fabric changes to the deepest cherry red. Check it out like this. And like that. What you've just seen is an example of epitome, the greatest of something. Once again, my name is Bronson with the Magic in the Library initiative. My job is to use magic, the magic arts, to teach the language arts.
Everyone say genres.
If you would like for me to come talk to your kids and do a live production of Magic in the Library on stage, then I'd be happy to do so. That could be for a school fundraiser, a book fair night, or a summer reading program at your local public library, whatever. Give me a shout at magicinthelibrary.org.